Department of Migrant Workers or DMW distributed financial assistance amounting to 5.18 million pesos to 259 OFWs and their families in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM on Monday, August 26. DMW Undersecretary Bernard Olalia and Assistant Secretary Venecio V. Legaspi led the distribution of cash assistance to the beneficiaries of the DMW flagship reintegration programs in Coronadal City. A total of 128 OFWs received 30,000 pesos each from the Agarang Kalinga at Saklolo para sa mga OFWs na nangangailangan or Action Fund, while an equal number received 10,000 pesos each under the Livelihood Program for OFW Integration or LPOR. Meanwhile, 3 beneficiaries of the Sapinas Ikaw ang Ma'am at Sir or SPIMS program received 20,000 pesos each as support for their teaching careers in the Philippines. Also present at the event were South Cotabato 2nd District Representative Peter Miguel and Coronadal City Mayor Eliordo Oguena. This is Faith Alves for EuroTV News.